In this video, I fully demonstrate the use of a software program called Google Autocomplete Keyword Scraper, which actually comes with 3 keyword tools built into one. There's the Google Autocomplete Scraper, the YouTube Autocomplete Scraper, and a keyword tester software program. The first thing you want to do is get keywords. So let's say, for example, we're going to use Google. So we'll type in a starting or root keyword phrase. Now I've typed in the root keyword phrase, how to bake an star pie, and the reason I put in a star is I want that to be a wild card. And when you put your mouse over the text box after you put in your keyword phrase, you can get Google related keywords for more root keyword ideas that maybe you didn't think of, as well as moving your mouse over these words here to get more ideas as well. Then after you have finished typing in your keyword phrase, we're going to select a Google country. United States is the one you want most of the time. And if you're not 100% familiar with the Google Autocomplete, the way it works is we'll insert the letters of the alphabet, and then a drop-down box will show you what other people have typed into Google. And the software program will scrape these. That's if you select A to Z. If you select AA to ZZ, the program will take a little bit longer, but it will be much more thorough, and it will grab hidden keywords other people aren't getting. It will go AA, AB, AC, AD, AE, all the way to AZ, and then do BA, BB, BC, then go to the C's, and so on, all the way until it gets to the letter Z and completes. And when you do it this way, you can get a lot of keywords. And you can also select to insert the number 0 through 9, at which point the software program would just insert at the wildcard character 0 to 9. Sometimes you could pick up keyword gems like that. Now, for the sake of simplicity and the demonstration of the software program, I'm going to uncheck these 2 options for now. The next decision we have to make is where we want to insert these letters. They don't have to just be inserted at the wildcard character. In fact, you don't have to have a wildcard character. If you have this option checked between words, then what the software program is going to do, it's going to type the letters of the alphabet between each of the words of the keyword phrase. If you have it selected to only replace words, then it will only insert the letters of the alphabet where you have the wildcard character if you have one. Or you can select that it does both. And for the demonstration of this video, we will select both. And then you'll see here you can select that it only scrapes keyword phrases that are so many words long or longer. So what we'll do now is we'll start scraping, we'll click the start button, and there goes the software program at work. And you can see the software program is scraping as it goes. You can see the number of non-duplicate keyword phrases that it's scraping here. Now, when you're done with your scraping, what you do is right-click the list box with the keyword phrases, and then select which keyword phrases you want to keep and what you want to do with them. So let's say, for example, I want to make sure that the keyword phrase contains the word pie. In this text box here, you'd enter that you want the program to not keep the keyword phrases that contain whatever words you put in here. Each word you separate with a comma. You can specify that it keeps keyword phrases that are only so many words long. Let's say we only want to keep keyword phrases that are 7 words long or more. And then you could either move these keyword phrases to the competition testing part of the software program or copy to clipboard. So we'll move these keyword phrases to the keyword competition part of the software program. 168 keywords that are 7 words long or more that contain the word pie. So now we click the Test Keywords button. And then the search settings, the defaults are usually fine, And what I would suggest is auto-saving the software program every so many minutes, just in case your computer crashes or whatnot. And then after you have made your selections, you close this, click this arrow to move all these keyword phrases down into the software program. The reason there's an X here is in our search settings, we specified not to search Bing and not to search all in anger. For example, if you did select search Bing in title, well then the X's would disappear because it's going to perform that search. May seem a little complex at first, but it's really not. One of the simplest programs to use. And then all you do is click check competition. Now, while the software program is doing this, what I'm going to do is go back to the Get Keywords tool, clear this list. You can do this for YouTube as well. So this would be if you're trying to find the ideal keyword phrases to use for videos that you're going to upload to YouTube, because the ideal keyword phrases would be a little bit different than Google. So again, we have all our settings here. Once we're set to go, we click the Start button. Again, depending upon your computer speed, you want to adjust this. There we go. That's a little better. And again, according to your settings here, it's going to scrape your keyword phrases. If you have any questions about the software, visit the Scrapers and Bots website. At the top of every single page of the website is our phone number, and you can feel free to call us anytime with any questions you might have. Thank you very much for watching this video.